Hello, darling.
Hello. Woolly hedgehog. Hello. Hello, little one.
You worried for nothing, you see?
Eh.
Let's just have a look. You ready? What?
No, I mean a little one, the duck.
Ah, no, don't
Duckling.
worry. You see the hedgehog yesterday.
I saw yesterday. Hello. No, not come.
Bye bye.
Bye bye then. There's something coming or heard something. So, tuk tuk tuk. Gone. There go. Oh, hello. Hello. Fiona, come back.
Hey, madam.
Hello.
Oh, he does. Eh? Oh, he does.
Oh, noisy.
Come in.
They're coming on up.
Oh,
Oh, what happened? Noisy go. Yes, you're noisy.
you shopping again? Shopaholic. House of Fraser. House of Fraser, where's that? Yes. What? Hmm?